Welcome to my channel. Have you ever wished you could go back to your childhood, even for just one day? Why does life seem so simple when we are children, but so challenging when we grow up? Stay with me until the end, because today's video will reveal the biggest differences between childhood and adult life, along with powerful lessons that can help you live a happier and more meaningful life. Chapter 1: The Simple Joys of Childhood. Childhood is one of the most beautiful parts of life. Almost everyone remembers it with a smile because it is a time filled with happiness, curiosity, and unforgettable memories. When we are children, we do not worry about money, jobs, or the future. Our biggest concern might be finishing our homework or deciding which game to play with our friends. Every day feels like a new adventure. A small toy, a colorful balloon, a delicious ice cream, or an evening spent playing outside is enough to make us feel truly happy. We laugh freely, forgive quickly, and enjoy every little moment without thinking about tomorrow. Think about your own childhood for a moment. Do you remember running through the streets with your friends, riding a bicycle for the first time, or waiting excitedly for your birthday? Perhaps you remember your mother calling you home for dinner after hours of playing outside. Maybe you remember listening to bedtime stories from your parents or grandparents. Those moments were simple, yet they became some of the most precious memories of our lives. One of the greatest gifts of childhood is the ability to enjoy the present. Children do not spend their time worrying about what happened yesterday or what might happen next year. They focus on the moment they are living. When they play with all their heart. When they laugh without fear of being judged. When they soon forget their sadness and smile again. This natural ability to live in the present is something many adults lose as they grow older. Remember this powerful truth. Childhood teaches us that happiness is found in simple moments, not expensive things. That is exactly what we will discover in the next chapter. Chapter 2: Growing up brings responsibility. As children grow older, life slowly begins to change. The days of playing without worries become fewer, and new responsibilities begin to appear. At first, these responsibilities are small, such as completing homework, helping parents at home, and learning to manage time. But as we become adults, life expects much more from us. We must study hard, choose a career, earn money, support our families, make important decisions, and solve problems that children never have to think about. Growing up gives us more freedom, but it also gives us greater responsibility. Think about the life of an adult. Every morning begins with a plan. There are jobs to finish, bills to pay, goals to achieve, and family members to care for. Sometimes there are unexpected problems, such as illness, financial difficulties, or disappointments. Adults cannot simply walk away from these challenges. They must face them with courage, patience, and wisdom. This is one of the biggest differences between childhood and adulthood. Remember this powerful truth. Growing older is automatic, but becoming responsible is a choice. That is exactly what we will discover in the next chapter. Chapter 3: What adults can learn from childhood. Although we can never go back and become children again, we can bring the beautiful lessons of childhood into our daily lives. Childhood is not only a time of fun and games, it is also a time filled with valuable qualities that many adults slowly forget. As we grow older, we become busy with work, responsibilities, and future plans. We often believe that being serious all the time is a sign of maturity, but true wisdom is not about losing the child inside you. It is about keeping the best parts of childhood while becoming a responsible adult. Think about how children see the world. They are curious about everything. They ask questions without feeling embarrassed because they know that asking questions helps them learn. They are not afraid to try something new. If they fall while learning to ride a bicycle, they get up and try again. They do not think, I failed, so I should quit. Instead, they believe, I can do it if I keep practicing. This simple attitude is one of the greatest lessons adults can learn. Remember this powerful truth. Growing up does not mean giving up the child inside you. That is exactly what we will discover in the final chapter. Chapter 4: Build a Happy Life with Childhood Values. As we come to the end of this journey, one important question remains: is life better as a child or as an adult? The answer is that both stages of life are beautiful in different ways. Childhood gives us love, innocence, laughter, and unforgettable memories. Adulthood gives us opportunities, responsibilities, wisdom, and the power to shape our future. Instead of comparing them, we should learn to take the best lessons from both. Many people believe that growing older means becoming serious all the time. They stop laughing, stop dreaming, and stop enjoying the little moments that once made them happy. They become so busy chasing success that they forget to enjoy the journey. But true success is not only about earning money or achieving big goals, it is also about having peace of mind, strong relationships, good health, and a grateful heart. Remember this powerful truth. The happiest people are those who grow older without growing cold. Keep the curiosity of a child. Never stop learning new things. Ask questions, read books, improve your skills, and remain excited about discovering the world. Knowledge keeps your mind active, and curiosity keeps your heart young. Keep the kindness of a child. Smile at people, help those in need, forgive quickly, and treat everyone with respect. Kindness costs nothing, but it can completely change someone's day. The smallest act of kindness often creates the biggest impact. Keep the gratitude of a child. Children become excited about simple gifts because they appreciate what they have. As adults, we sometimes focus only on what we do not have and forget the blessings already in our lives. Be thankful for your family, your friends, your health, your education, and every opportunity to become a better person. At the same time, accept the responsibilities of adulthood with courage. Work hard, keep your promises, manage your time wisely, and never stop improving yourself. Challenges are not your enemies, they are your teachers. Every difficulty helps you become stronger, wiser, and more confident. Life is not about choosing between childhood and adulthood. It is about combining the innocence of childhood with the wisdom of adulthood. When you do that, you build a life filled with happiness, purpose, and inner peace. Always remember this final lesson. Childhood gives us beautiful memories, but adulthood gives us the opportunity to create a beautiful future. Treasure your past, enjoy your present, and work faithfully toward your dreams. Every stage of life has its own beauty. Learn from each one, appreciate each moment, and never lose the joyful spirit that once made your childhood so special. If you enjoyed this video and it reminded you of your childhood, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends and family. Comment below, what is your favorite childhood memory? Thank you for watching. Keep learning, keep smiling, and never lose the child inside your heart. I'll see you in the next video.